First, slice onions in half and a little bit off the bottom so they can sit comfortably, and season. Add olive oil to a pan, add the onions and brown. Next, add Worcester sauce, sage and garlic. Now bring to a boil and reduce by half. Add onions to a roasting pan, followed by the sauce, sage and garlic. Cover, now place in the oven and cook. For extra flavour and texture, shallow fry some sage with olive oil. These will crisp up fast, so watch them. When cooked, add goat cheese, now place under the grill to melt.